Welcome to your personal wellness channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing 7 proven techniques for boosting your energy levels and increasing your vitality using the power of NLP audios. Whether you're feeling drained, lacking motivation, or simply want to optimize your overall well-being, these 7 proven NLP techniques will provide you with the tools you need to revitalize your mind and body. In addition, we also invite you to visit the link in the description below to receive a free NLP audio as our gift to you that will allow you to easily unlock boundless amounts of energy and create a new enthusiasm for life by utilizing the power of neuro-linguistic programming. Okay, let's dive into today's topic. Number 1. Anchoring. One of the most effective techniques we'll explore today is called anchoring. You can think of anchoring as having an instant energy switch at your fingertips. Anchoring involves associating a specific sensory experience with a desired state of mind or energy level. For example, imagine pressing your thumb and index finger together while experiencing a high-energy state. By repeating this gesture and connecting it to that energetic feeling, you can trigger that state whenever you need a quick boost. It's like having your very own personal energy button, always accessible, regardless of your surroundings or circumstances. With anchoring, you hold the key to unleashing a surge of energy on demand, empowering you to conquer any challenge and seize every opportunity that comes your way. Number 2. Reframing. Next, let's dive into the powerful NLP technique known as reframing. This approach is all about transforming the way you interpret the world around you. Reframing involves shifting your personal perception of any event or situation in order to change your emotional response. Imagine that you are encountering a challenging situation that would normally drain your energy. With reframing, you can instead see it as an opportunity for growth and invaluable learning. By rewiring your mind to embrace challenges while maintaining a high-energy mindset, you'll find yourself empowered and motivated, even in the face of obstacles and so-called problems, giving yourself the ability to conquer each hurdle with unwavering determination and a resolute spirit. Number 3. Language patterns. Your choice of words and the way you communicate have a profound impact on your energy levels. That's where the proven NLP technique of language patterns comes into play. By using empowering language, positive affirmations, and reframing negative self-talk, you can literally create a linguistic environment that ignites your motivation and invigorates your spirit. Imagine having an internal cheerleader that uplifts and propels you forward whenever you need it the most. By consciously choosing words that inspire and motivate, you can create a positive and energizing atmosphere within yourself, as well as in your interactions with others. Embrace the transformative influence of language patterns and empower yourself to become a beacon of positive energy, inspiring both yourself and those around you. Number 4. Submodalities. Next, let's explore the fascinating process of utilizing submodalities within the world of NLP. You can think of submodalities as the fine-tuning knobs of your sensory experiences. They involve the specific details within your senses, such as the brightness of images or the volume of internal dialogue, for example. By consciously adjusting these submodalities, you can easily intensify positive experiences while simultaneously diminishing the negative ones. Imagine vividly visualizing a scene that energizes you, while mentally enhancing the colors, brightness, and clarity in your mind's eye. Through NLP techniques like visualization and effectively utilizing auditory cues, you can literally tap into the energy-enhancing potential of your senses and create a profound positive impact on your vitality. Number 5. State transference. This technique empowers you to tap into the incredible energy of those around you and infuse it into yourself, igniting a spark that revitalizes your mind, body, and spirit. Imagine being in the presence of someone who vividly radiates infectious energy and vitality. By deliberately associating yourself with individuals who exude high energy, you can easily unlock the power of state transference to boost your own vitality. Through the simple act of observing their behavior, adopting their confident body language, and matching their energy levels, you can literally absorb their contagious energy and seamlessly integrate it within yourself. It's similar to catching a magnificent wave of other people's enthusiasm and riding it purposefully in order to amplify your own energy levels, propelling yourself towards a state of vibrant vitality. Number 6. Visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool in your NLP toolkit that can help you achieve your desired energy and increase overall vitality levels. By using this proven NLP technique to set clear, inspiring goals, and visualizing yourself already achieving these goals, you can easily tap into the immense power of your own subconscious mind. The power of this process will align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your desired energy levels. To practice this technique, simply begin by envisioning yourself full of vitality, radiating positive energy, and accomplishing your goals with ease. By consistently focusing on these mental images of success and feeling the associated emotions, you will activate your inner drive and fuel your ambitions while creating a path towards an energized and vibrant life. Number 7. Timeline therapy. This is an incredibly transformative NLP technique that has the power to significantly impact your energy levels. Through timeline therapy, you'll have the opportunity to revisit past experiences and release any negative emotions or limiting beliefs that may have been weighing you down. Just imagine the feeling of letting go of emotional baggage that has held you back for years. By freeing yourself from the burdens of the past, you'll reclaim your energy and vitality, enabling you to fully embrace the present moment. This release empowers you to step into a brighter future with renewed enthusiasm and boundless energy. With timeline therapy, the doors to unlimited possibilities for energizing your life swing wide open, offering you a fresh perspective and a revitalized spirit. These 7 proven NLP techniques offer a comprehensive toolkit for boosting your energy and vitality. Remember, it's not just about physical energy, but also about optimizing your mental and emotional energy as well. Please don't forget to visit the link in the description below to receive your free NLP audio as our gift to you. And if you found this video valuable, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out some of these other videos from your personal wellness channel.